यहाँ पर आए हैं तो उम्मीद लेके ही आए हैं और सीएम से उम्मीद है ही, तो बस देखते हैं उम्मीद कितनी पूरी होती है, क्योंकि हम लोग लास्ट टाइम तक 1 ईयर हो गए, हम लोग उम्मीद पे ही हैं और टिल द लास्ट हम लोग उम्मीद पे ही रहेंगे। हम लोगों ने सारा प्रोसीड्यूर पूरा करके 2-2 जगह क्वालिफाई करके 3-3 जगह क्वालिफाई करके 7 साल सर्विस करके आज हम लोग सड़क पर हैं, तो अभी भी उम्मीद है, होप फॉर द बेस्ट। और दीदी से यही रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि हम लोगों का जो जॉब है, एक ही डिमांड है कि हमें हमारा जॉब वापस दे दीजिए, नथिंग एल्स बट टू गिव अवर जॉब बैक।
We are hopeful that she will be finally be able to give us some ray of hope about the review petition, and then we think that today she will be finally understand our pain, the pain of the untainted 19,000 untainted people who were so much deprived for all these years. We are in so much stress for the last 1 year, right from 22nd April 2024. We have been under this pressure that whether we will have our job continuation or not, because in the High Court we have lost, but we went to the Supreme Court with the hope that we will win. But sadly, the Supreme Court didn't give its judgment in our favor. Now, for the Chief Minister, we are here because she has called us, and we are here so that maybe she can give us some ray of hope. We don't know what she is going to say. It's only known to her. We are in this situation because of the tainted people and the people whom they have given the money. We are in the scam, we are trapped, and we are the collateral damage of this whole scam. We don't know what is in store for our future. The review petition will be filed by the government or the SSC. We might also file the review petition, but we don't know what's the outcome. But all the 19,000 untainted people are here on the road because of a scam we didn't know about. We are just eligible candidates who had filled up the form, who had gone through every examination process fairly, but still we were punished with no fault of ours. We don't know what is our fate, but we still hope, we still have some hope. Maybe the state government will finally be able to find some solution for our problems. Maybe we'll be repaneled because we are not for the re-examination. Why will we appear for the re-examination when it was not our fault that the tainted were also they have appeared for the examination and they were chosen. They were chosen wrongly, but we were chosen fairly. So it's still our demand that our panel should be repaneled. The tainted should be left. As per the Supreme Court order, the tainted were already left. They have been asked to repay their salary for the last 6 years with 12% interest as per the Supreme Court. But we were not given. We were not told to repay the amount. So we hope that the segregation has already been done, because a part of us, the 25,000 people who were in this panel, was asked to repay the amount, but the others were not asked to repay. And still in India, we think that justice is not based on some hearsay. We know that the justice prevails on proofs. There is no proof to say that we are tainted. There has been no proof till now that we are tainted. But we were still punished. So we still think there might be some strategy by which we can, there must be some strategy by which we can be proved that we are not the tainted people, as already the Supreme Court has decided that we are not going to repay the money, which is kind of a segregation.
अभी भी गर्व है कि हम टेंटेड नहीं अनटेंटेड है। हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी हमको अनटेंटेड बताया, फिर भी चक्री चला गया इंस्टीट्यूशनल फ्रॉड के कारण। ठीक है, हमारा बात है, हम कहना चाहता हूं कि जो ये इंस्टीट्यूशन में जो फ्रॉड किया है, आप उसको जेल में भरिए। हम लोगों की सजा दे रहे हो। ठीक है, हमको तो लीगल है, हम एग्जाम दिए हैं, पास किए हैं, हम इंटरव्यू दिए, उसके बाद मेरिट लिस्ट आए हैं। ठीक है, हम भर्ती हुए, लेकिन हमारा साथ इतना बड़ा क्यों ये फ्रॉड हुआ।